Welcome back. In this video I will customizing the product page. So as usual, to customize the theme I have to go here on the online store and then the themes, and then I want to go here into customize. By default we are depend on the home page of the Shopify store, but we need to go to the product page to design our product page. You can do it either on the click on the product or automatically it will detect the product page, or the other thing you can do is to click here right on the tab and then click on the product. Yes, and then just click on product, and this will take us to the product page editor. One thing you should know that to design the product page for every product in a website, you just have to design it once and the template will apply to all the products you have in your online store. So for this one you have the random product, whatever the design I do is this product page, it will apply to all the product. One thing that will greatly impact on the look of your product page is the description that I have right here and all the way down here, right? So for this description you have to edit it in the product editor in the Shopify dashboard. So here in the Shopify dashboard you got the product and you have to edit for this particular product. In this case this is the 360 active base, and as you can see we have the product description product right here. So this is the description that's showing up on this product page. Even if the template for the product page is same for all the product description, that will be different. I will show you already right away. Now let's start this customize the product page template. Now I want to hide this the tags and catalogs and this new product right here. So once I wanna do, so I am going to the product pages. You can see right here I will click on it and uncheck the show product type, show product tags, show product collection. As you can see it remove everything. Alright, it also the description we can keep it in a separate section under the add to cart. If I do under to add to cart, you see the description right, add to cart. If the description is not very long, for the description you want add it in separate section. Also you want to align the description to the left, so let's just go to the test align left, then may it look better. This look a little bit more clean and I like this one. Next I will show you how to set the mobile view. If you see on the mobile view it's fine, but I prefer to keeping it in the left. So one thing that I will not set is how you align in the description right here. The setting will super fit right here. So here everything is left aligned. Alright, you can see, but here if you select center, it's gonna be center. This will override whatever the alignment you have right here in the product description editor. It is nothing to customize right here in the product base. By the way, one thing we should know that is recommendation for you. Let's click on this one and it show the recommendation systems. You can change it. Maybe let's say you may also like that you can add subheading and you can add number of rows per mobile, and all this stuff you can customize right here. Also there is one thing like that related to the product, you can add it related to the product. As you can see we have the right here, it is the same thing that I have done one of them. So I don't know, have a lot of things changes here. Maybe you can disable all this one. So here in the product recommendations I'm just going to click on this eye icon, just we will hide it. As you can see, and we keep it this one. Alright, and here it is a one section that FAQ. Actually this is the for Beautify and Shopify of the Beautify theme, and I am also customize. I will add some FAQs here. We will be using a free plan of the Beautified, so because of that reason I'm just going to remove this section. We don't have to get FAQ. You can do it in a free way. Just go down here, add a section and maybe some text section, or maybe you want add images with text, or you can add the FAQ right here if it is in a pay plan. So right here there's a lot of sections you can add which you can customize. That is for this the product page. You don't need to do anything There is a good product description. You can see the price, their variant, everything in is same. And even if you scroll down, you see we have this section, and I guarantee everything looks clean. But in case you want to maximum changing in the way, just look, you always go to the product page and you can play around here. If you want, just go to the mobile view and you can see maximum changing. Let's try the above images. Let's see how it looks. It can see the price, and in the mobile section view you can see the it is the product page for the Shopify app. In the upcoming video I will see you more details. There is no much work here, everything in this place. Only thing you want to put is the description of the product in the Shopify product editor. One thing you want to need to know is this product template. This product based template will be applied to all the product. And similarly, if you want to customize all kind of the pages in the Shopify, if you go here and go to the collection and customize the look of the collection, you can customize the pages in the Shopify store. There are the pages of all these here. All options are shown here. By default, the collection page are already really good. You do not need to do any modification. The page is already good. You don't need any modification. But the product page is you want to play around to see if you liking, to see how you want to need to look. By now, I hope you are familiar with the customizing the Shopify product page. Play around with this tool and come up with what your page is for. This is for online store. I hope you enjoy this video, so don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel and get e-commerce. I will see you guys in my next video.